Hello YouTube, I today have a very interesting blaster. Have CPVC'd these three pieces. I have weighted it, done a minimization by gluing in the handle piece. I could cut it and it's not so smooth. I had also previously painted that part, which I have now sanded because it was causing a lot of friction and the return spring wasn't doing anything. To go over the actual mod. Originally, I had done everything except for the coupler, so there's a new orange monarch spring, air has been tapped out, seal hole covered, 2 nickels, steel improvement, air escape hole, sorry, covered, and then I upgraded the trigger spring, which is actually the same thing as the catch spring. If you guys have taken apart a Nerf Sharp Shot, you would know that the front piece is actually, the barrel is attached to it, and there's like this mini coupler out of plastic that holds the barrel in place. What I had to do was drill all of that out and mount this. This coupler is mounted onto the fake stock barrel. Now, something that I did which was not done in the write-up was I cut the stock barrel because all of that space is now dead space, considering that the barrel is here and not right here. So that's all dead space. That's about 2.5 inches of dead space. So I cut it 1 inch, and then I mounted the coupler. So I cemented the coupler onto the old barrel where the air escape hole is with the PVC cement, so that's not moving. And then I had to wrap it in electrical tape so it would fit perfectly in there. And if you see, that's just a straight shot all the way through to the plunger tube. It's a very nice blaster. It was very difficult getting that plastic out of the front. I ended up cutting it with my Dremel so that it was completely cut out. Other than that, that's all the internal work. I can give you a firing test. If I were to put a barrel in and load a dart, I wouldn't use this barrel. Pull it out. That is a perfect seal because there is no air escaping back through the O-ring and into the blaster. Another thing, there are these two pieces of plastic that go into the shell, and that's what holds the stock barrel in. And this orange piece also has a fitting. And in order for the plunger system to be correctly lined up, both of those pieces need to be mounted in their existing place. Another thing is that it has a completely perfect seal. If I were to plug this with my hand and pull the trigger, there's a whole lot of force going against my hand. That is a perfect seal. It shoots wicked hard. Second one.